Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to find exported video in CapCut. Click on search bar at the bottom of your computer. Type in %app data percentage and press enter. Click on the file folder option in the search bar result to open File Explorer. In the File Explorer, go to top and click on app data. Navigate to the local folder and look for CapCut folder and click on it. Inside CapCut folder, find Video folder. Open the Video folder to view your exported CapCut video. If you frequently access this folder, you can add it to quick access for easy navigation. While exporting video in CapCut, click on top right Export button. In the Export button, click on Export to open Export options. In the Export Options section, click on File icon to choose new export location. Navigate to desired folder, select it, and press Select. And you have successfully learned how to find default location of exported CapCut video in PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.